You look beautiful tonight.
Oh wow, is the part of written stuff?
Maybe.
9 o'clock, Guandu factory.
I only have 24 hours.
Is it good?
100%. Can we make it?
We don't have a choice.
Then let's shoot this thing. Aaron, let's shoot it.
Right.
They're waiting. Let's go. Fire, fire, fire.
You like it?
I like the way that we fight together.
Even if we lose?
Well, losing is part of it, isn't it?
Yes.
So this is the end?
No, story just begin. Fireworks never fade.
Okay. We'll see you in 10 months in Indiana.
Don't be late.
No change.
Okay.
Thank you, Connie, for everything.
Thanks to ourselves for never giving up.